Hello everyone, today we are going to study about biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of chemical processes in living organisms, bridging biology and chemistry to understand life's molecule machinery. It is concise theory covering core concept, key biomolecules and process related to your context. Definition of biochemistry explores structure, function, and interaction of biomolecules, protein, carbs, lipids, nuclei, acid driving cellular processes. Goals: uncover how molecules like enzymes, hormones, and metabolites sustain life, respond to stimuli, and replicate. Core biomolecules: carbohydrates, monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, and polymers, starch, glycogen, cellulose, energy source, glycolysis, and structure. Role: cell wall in plants, exoskeleton in insect, proteins, polymers of amino acid, diverse function, enzyme, antibodies, transporters like hemoglobin, structure dedicated by sequence, primary folding, secondary, and complexes. Lipids are hydrophobic molecules, fats, phospholipids, steroids. Energy storage, triglycerides, membrane structure and signaling, steroids, hormone like testosterone, nucleic acid, RNA, DNA, nucleotide, polymers, storing, transmitting genetic info, DNA double helix, RNA, role in transcription, translation, protein synthesis. Key biochemical process is metabolism, catabolism, and anabolism. Catabolism break down molecule glucose and ATP in glycolysis and oxidative phosphorylation. Anabolism builds complex molecule protein synthesis from amino acid. Pathways regulated by enzymes and hormones, insulin, glucagon, balance blood sugar, enzymes, proteins, catalysts, lowering activation energy, lactase, break lactose, carbonic anhydrase in respiration, activity influenced by pH, temperature, substrate concentration, inhibitor, activators. Glucose plus O2, ATP, CO2, H2O, glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, anaerobic lactase fermentation in muscles, whereas aerobic efficient ATP in mitochondria, photosynthesis, plant, cyanobacteria, light energy, CO2, H2O, glucose, O2, chlorophyll, thylakoids, clamine and cycle. Biochemical regulation and signaling, hormones, chemical messenger, insulin, lower blood glucose, mobilize energy, signal transduction, receptors binds, intracellular cascade, feedback loop products, inhibits pathways, deficiencies trigger production, low glucose and glucagon release. In Pakistan context, health, agriculture, malnutrition, deficiencies in protein, vitamins, disease, diabetes, genetic disorders. Agriculture, fertilization, enhance crop yield, nitrogen for amino acid, protein, pesticide, inhibit pest enzymes. Local example: goat, chemical milk, biochemistry, nutrients, enzymes, medical, plant. Tool and techniques: chromatography, separate biomolecules, spectrophotometry, measure concentrations, PCR, mass spectrometry, bioinformatics, predict protein structure analysis, genomic metabolic pathways, metabolism profile, small molecule, metabolites in cells, synthetic biology, engineered pathways for insulin production, biofuels or drug synthesis, nitrogenous diet impact, gene interaction, phytophenols in green tea modulate inflammation gene. Challenges in Pakistan: limited lab infrastructure in rural areas, high burden of infections, infectious diseases, biochemical understanding, acid, aid drugs, design, diagnostic. Limited labs infrastructure in rural areas, high burden of infectious diseases, biochemical understanding, AIDS drugs, designs, diagnostic, climate change effect, crops, biochemistry, drought, stress, alters plant metabolism. Biochemistry explains life's chemical logic, energy flow, molecular recognition, regulation, biomolecule interaction, dynamically disruption cause diseases. Application in medicine, drugs, targets, agriculture, crop improvement, and industry, enzymes in detergents, biofuels. Biochemistry explains life, chemical logic, energy flow, molecular recognition, regulation. Biomolecule interact dynamically, disruption cause diseases, application in medicine, drug targets, agriculture, crop improvement, and industry, enzymes in detergents, biofuels. One specific on metabolic pathways like glycolysis, curb cycle, enzyme kinetic, or how genetic mutation cause biochemical disorder in humans, or example of biochemistry in Pakistan, fermentation in yogurt, chapati, duff, rheology. Thank you so much.